Well, good morning to y'all, and salute. Now, I know it's been a little bit since I've done a video. It's because I had visitors here. Well, first, I had a week where I was sick. My husband was sick for 5 days, and then I was sick for a little over a week. And so, but I had already pre-recorded some videos, thank goodness, because I was expecting a visitor. And it was my daughter and her baby. And so she ended up having to stay elsewhere during the first week of her visit. And because we were sick and I didn't want the baby around. So she went and visited her friend and her brothers and this, that, and the other the first week. And then after that she stayed with us and she got home. She's safe. And she's taking care of her stuff. She's been home for a few days. And we got some planting done. We planted our palm tree and got some other stuff squared away. We're about to plant our couple of bushes, berry bushes. And I've got some starters already done. This is not a gardening video, but I just want to kind of give you an idea of what I've been up to. I did pre-record some videos. Thank the Lord I did that and had those go in last week for y'all. And so, good thing I did, or week before last, I don't remember. What was the last ones I did? Last two. Well, anyhow, I want to read a little bit of scripture to you, and this is about kindness. The way that people were kind to Abraham, and Abraham was an honorable man. Now, I'm just going to run this down to you, okay? Now, this is in Genesis 23, okay? Back to the basics again. Now, Sarah was 127 years old, okay? And it says, these were the years of life of Sarah. Sarah died in Kirjatharba, Kirjatharba. The same is Hebron in the land of Canaan. Now, Abraham was mourning for Sarah when she died, okay? And so he went to find somewhere to bury her, okay? And the sons of Heth, Heth, saying, I am a stranger and sojourn with you. Give me the possession of a burial place with you, that I might bury my dead out of my sight. And the children of Heth answered Abraham, saying unto him, Hear us, my Lord. Thou art a mighty prince among us. In the choice of our sepulchres bury thy dead. None of us shall withhold from thee his sepulchre, but that thou mayest bury the dead. Okay? So he communed back and forth with them and everything, which is, awesome. And so he goes on here. And Ephraim dwelt among the children of Heth, and Ephraim the Hittite answered Abraham in the audience of the children of Heth, even of all that went into the gate of a city, saying, Nay, my Lord, hear me. The field give I thee, and the cave that is therein I give it thee. In the presence of the son of my people give I it thee. Bury thy dead. And Abraham bowed down himself before the people of the land, and he spake unto Ephraim in the audience of the people of the land, saying, But I wilt give it. If thou wilt give it, I pray thee, hear me. I will give thee money for the field. Take it of me, and I will bury my dead there. And Ephraim is like, No, I don't want to do that. But if you really want to know how much a field is worth, basically, I'm ad-libbing here. Okay, it says, My Lord, hearken unto me. The land is worth 400 shekels and 7. What is that between me and thee? Bury therefore thy dead. In other words, to them they're like, it's only worth 400 shekels. Just don't worry about it. Money's not an object here. Just bury thy dead. It's yours. But Abraham, now I'm going to ad-lib again, y'all. Abraham was an honorable man, okay? So Abraham weighed to Ephraim the silver which he had named in the audience of the son of Heth 400 shekels of silver, current money with the merchant. And the field of Ephraim, which was in Machpelah, Machpelah, okay, which was before Mamre, the field and the cave which was therein, and all the trees that were in the field, that were in all the borders round about, were made sure 18. unto Abraham for possession in the presence of the children of Heth before all that went in at the gate of the city. Okay, so everything that was there. And after this, Abraham buried Sarah, his wife, in the cave of the field of that place called Machpelah, before Mamre, the same is Hebron, in the land of Canaan. And the field and the cave that is therein were made sure unto Abraham for possession of a burial place by the sons of Heth. Okay? And now the reason why I'm even reading that to you is if you'll notice how all of that conspired, how the kindness and the honorability, okay, even though Abraham was who he was, a highfalutin man, okay, they're like, hey, take it, bury your dad, we're not going to charge you for it. That between me and you, it's no. And Abraham was honorable. He says, no, I will give you the money. I have it. Here, take. And so they made basically a pact with each other, or, contract, that land is his. That's for him to bury his dead, or whatever he wants to do with it. It's his. He paid for it. Even if he didn't pay for it, it's his, So it's the kindness that we need to show each other, okay? And the honorability. If you got a way to pay for it or take care of it, take care of it. Because a lot of people, you say, no, you have it free. They're like, oh, I'll take it free. And that just adds to their riches. No, be honorable as well. If you got a way of paying for it, then pay for it. Or a way to trade, or a way to, to be honorable like Abraham. But if you got something and you can share it with somebody else and they don't have the money, share it anyway. You can't take it with you when you die. All right? Well, I love y'all. Do it God's way. Be kind and be honorable. Have a good day.